Okay, now let's learn about Amazon GuardDuty. So Amazon GuardDuty is a service in AWS that will perform intelligent threat discovery in order to protect your AWS accounts. So it's going to use machine learning algorithm in the backend and do anomaly detection and use third-party data to detect if your account is under attack or not in under attack. And it's just one click to enable it, and you get a 30 days free trial, and you don't need to install any kind of software. It works in the backend as it is. So Amazon GuardDuty takes some input data from several sources. It takes data from your CloudTrail event logs, and it looks for unusual API calls for unauthorized deployments and so on. So it can use the management events. For example, these are the events that happen when you create a VPC subnet, when you modify a resource, when you create a trail. They are just API calls within your accounts. And it also looks at CloudTrail S3 data events. So for example, it looks at the events happening within your buckets, so API calls such as get object, list objects, delete object, and so on. It looks at your VPC flow logs to detect an unusual internet traffic or unusual IP addresses, your DNS logs to look whether or not you have compromised EC2 instances that are going to be sending encoded data within the DNS queries, and finally your Kubernetes audit logs. Kubernetes audit log, especially with the EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, to detect suspicious activity and the potential EKS cluster compromises. So all these things are happening behind the scenes, and then you are going to get up you are going to set up here a CloudWatch event rules to be modified in case of findings, and in case you have findings, well, you can set up a rule to target, for example, a Lambda function to do some action, or an SNS topic to send some emails. Finally, and that's something that can come up in the exam. GuardDuty can help you be protected against cryptocurrency attacks because it has a dedicated finding for it. So to summarize, GuardDuty detects your VPC flow logs. So summarize, GuardDuty detects your VPC flow logs, your CloudTrail logs, your DNS logs, as well as your as well as EKS audit logs, Elastic Kubernetes Service audit logs. They all go into the GuardDuty, and then thanks to the CloudWatch event rules, you are going to get Lambda function or the SNS topics being notified, and you have the full picture of Amazon GuardDuty event. Alright, that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.